Chasing the strength that nourishes a business foundation is no longer an unattainable chore when our digital footprints are involved. Trivid Technologies is a leading player in the digital landscape, playing forefront for business empowerment since 2013, all the way from our head office in Kolkata, West Bengal. Our services are focused on the industrial revolution that has led to the emergence of the deeply connected network. We continue to inspire enterprises worldwide and are committed that no stone is left unturned. With the support of our team, we are embarked on a journey to unite businesses with innovations. Digitalized add-ons are the heart and soul of budding startups, and we know how this key ingredient brings your ideas into existence. Our services in cloud, IoT, automation, cybersecurity, analytics, infrastructure management, and engineering services support all those enterprises that struggle to bridge the gap between their efforts and success. Till now, we have catered for the needs of clients from international boundaries, be it USA, UK, Africa, or Europe. We have impressed businesses from different nations and regions, and that demonstrates our popularity. Our competent corporate team members work 24/7 to shape your dream and give it a new life. The reflection of our untouched services manifest when your business grows at its best. We are the top-drawer corporate firm that possesses high social standing in the industry. With us, you overcome challenges. With us, you unwrap possibilities. With us, you become the top achiever, as we bring predictable outcomes on your desk. We even offer corporate training to aspiring candidates, and as an HR service provider, fulfill the vacant posts for proficient employees into your business. Altogether, you are gifted with well-packed solutions at Trivid. So why wait? Let's become your guide for the roadmap which takes your business in the right direction. Because it's your turn now.